Several months ago, I did a video on the iPad Mini 5, the latest iPad. In doing so, I wanted to put a screen protector, so to speak, on the iPad Mini 5. I read this screen protector called PaperLike that made writing on the iPad like if you were writing on paper. And that's because the iPad Mini 5 now has pencil support. So I went and bought the PaperLike screen protector, so to speak, and I want to put it on and kind of give you my thoughts of how it feels. I'm going to do that right after this. So I have the iPad Mini 5. This is the space gray version. And I went out and bought the PaperLike screen protector. All right. The PaperLike iPad screen protector for the new iPad Mini 5. All right. And so here's all the instructions, the wet wipes. Okay, it's got all these nice little goodies. All right. But I also went out and bought this. I saw this little frame. This company is ESR. They sell screen protectors, but what they also sell is these applicators that makes it a lot easier when you're putting on the screens, right? I bought some of these for my iPhone, and I saw this for the iPad, and I said I will get it. They do have good screen protector as well, but on this one, I am putting the PaperLike, all right? So, the first thing we need to do is do some wet wipes. But I have been reading these, this PaperLike screen protector. I've noticed that a lot of the people who do have it, they do like it. They say it's like writing on paper. I am now going to put the guide, and it just fits right over perfect. All right. And then here we go. And there it is. Much better. Take that out, and we are good to go. Okay, and we'll see how this works. Alright, and let's go with the new one here. It does give you that paper-like feel, to be honest with you. It really does. I'll have to do some more writing and see how that works, but I think this little PaperLike really does the job. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what kind of screen protector do you use on your iPad Mini. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you have, let me tell you how much I appreciate you very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.